Episode 227, DNA as a holographic template. Why DNA is reference field, not a fixed blueprint. So far, we have explored how information moves through the cell. Now we arrive at the point most people think is the beginning, DNA. Co-reframed, DNA is not a static blueprint. It is a holographic template. What holographic means here? Holographic means each part contains reference to the whole. Information is distributed. Instruction depends on context. DNA works this way. DNA as a reference library. DNA does not issue commands. It stores potential configurations. Which configuration is used depends on conditions. Why DNA cannot be deterministic? If DNA were fixed, adaptation would be impossible. Life would be brittle. Instead, DNA is responsive, structure over sequence. The physical structure of DNA matters: folding, coiling, spatial arrangement. These affect what information is accessible. Context selects expression. The same DNA can produce different outcomes because the field around it changes: energy, signal, environment. DNA and the cell. DNA listens to the cell, not the other way around. Cellular state determines which instructions are read. Holographic consistency. Each cell contains the whole genome, but each cell expresses only what fits its role. That's holographic logic. Misunderstanding to avoid: DNA is not destiny, it is possibility. Scaling the pattern. What DNA does in cells, field templates do in systems. They constrain but do not dictate. Key insight: DNA provides options, life selects. Practical clarity: change the conditions, different genetic potentials activate. DNA is a living reference field, not a fixed script. Next, we'll explore DNA as receiver, not origin. Why information flows into genetics. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs from the link in my bio. Thank you.